guys, my name is Muhammad Syahir, and today my group and I will going to present about our topic, which is about types of commercial vessels and smart vessels.
Innovation and change are constant in maritime industry. Few decades ago, the introduction of the container ship revolutionized trade and changed the way transportation, shipping, loading and unloading of goods is done even to this day. Some even believe that its introduction is what gave globalization its biggest push. Today, the maritime industry is once again at the cusp of new era, one driven by the revolution of merchant vessels to smart ships. This revolution in fact driven us to be greater in increasing digitalization and innovation, in particular automated ships. This evolution has the potential to impact all aspects of operations and business in the maritime industry.
Okay guys, so what is merchant vessels?
Merchant vessels are ships that primarily uses either for cargo or passengers. Basically, the ships that engage in active commercial transportation fall in this category, but excluded for navy ships or any pleasure craft. It comes in different sizes and shapes. They are the main tool of ocean transportation, carrying crude oil and goods throughout the world in various sizes of tankers, containers and bulk carriers. Today, almost all the countries in the world possess and operate merchant ships.
Smart ships are best seen as a further evolution of already existing subsystems of today's current ship, which together constitute an autonomous vessel. In general, smart ships consist of four elements: navigation, guidance, physical ship, and control. Today, my friends and I will elaborate more about the types of merchant ships and of course the smart ships. What is the advantages and disadvantages about the smart ship? So let us watch.
Okay, thank you to Syahir for give the explanation about what is merchant vessel. Now we continue with the type of merchant vessel. First of all, I want to talk about container ship. For your information, container ship is a vessel structure specifically to hold huge quantities of cargo compact in different types of container. This container ship has a different type of size container. For example, Panamax, Suezmax, Post-Panamax and Post-Malacca-Max. Next, one of the type of merchant vessel nowadays is bulk carrier ship. Okay, I am sure that you all blur about bulk carrier ship, so let me explain about this. Bulk carrier ship are a type of ship that transport cargoes, which is generally dry cargo in bulk quantities. The cargo transport in such ship loose, which is without any specific packaging to it and generally contain items like food grains, oils and coals. Actually, there are a lot of types of merchant vessel, so I will pass to Hayqhcal to explain about the other merchant vessel.
Tanker ship. Tanker ships are specialized vessels for carrying an amount of liquid cargo. Tankers are further subdivided into the different types on the basis of the cargo they carry. The main types of tanker are oil tanker. Oil tanker mainly carry crude oil and its byproduct. Second one, liquefied gas carrier. A gas carrier or a gas tanker is a ship designed to transport LPG, LNG or liquefied chemical gas in bulk. And chemical and product carriers. A chemical tanker is a type of tanker ship designed to transport chemical and different liquid product in bulk. Other types of tankers. Some other types are juice tanker, wine tanker, integrated tug, barge and so on. On the basis of their size, tankers are further divided into various types such as VLCC, ULCC, Panamax, Suezmax and alphabets. Roll-on, roll-off ship. RORO is an acronym for roll-on, roll-off. Roll-on, roll-off ships are vessels that are used to carry wheeled cargo such as car, truck, and superbike or motorbike. Pure car carrier (PCC) and pure car and truck carrier (PCTC) RORO ships. This is a main types of the RORO.
Good evening, ma'am. So I'm going to talk about what is smart vessel. Before I talk about what is smart vessel, the idea of smart vessel, smart ship, shipping technologies was actually founded back in 2017. So the smart shipping concept actually covers a whole range of possibilities. Smart vessel refers to largely autonomous operation of inland vessel or seagoing ships. It covers not only on-board technologies but also the design of ports and waterways, so that using the data collected by the sensors around the ship can maneuver itself autonomously and prompt the crew to take action, which also means introduction of AI, artificial intelligence. So why smart vessel? Smart vessel was actually being introduced to reduce the amount of accidents that happen because of human error.
Thank you, Tanegan, for the great presentation. So it's my turn to tell you about the advantage and disadvantage of smart vessel. The first advantage of smart vessel is it is controlled by a remote. It controlled by a human operate at a shore, which is we control the ship by a long distance. The second advantage is a vessel is automated, which is it is running by pre-programmed software and can only operate within the scope of algorithm. It means the vessel is actually have their own software and we as a human will operate it. The last advantage of smart ship is it is the fully autonomous ship. The system can calculate the consequences. It also can make decision by itself. The disadvantage of smart vessel is it will cost a large capital to make it. For the example, we have to buy the expensive component to make it. The next disadvantages of smart ship is lack of crew. With the less crew, it will make a maintenance of moving parts will be difficult, especially when the long journey.